Hello guys and welcome back to this new video on our channel CRYPTOP. Today we're gonna be talking about ChangeNOW Exchange. So today guys we're gonna experience the seamless transactions through this massive exchange. So they do swaps without even having an account with them. It's fully secure with a user-friendly interface. We're gonna discover all of that in this video. We're gonna go through real swaps to see how fast it is. We're gonna also check the transaction fees and all the important details. But before we start, don't forget to support us with like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that this is not financial advice. Always do your before getting into anything I share with you on my YouTube channel. And let's get into it.
Audio Jungle.
So today guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you my own experience using ChangeNOW that's been solving a lot of problems in the crypto space. Since here, as you can see, it's fast crypto exchange, fast growing exchange with 98% triumph rates, 5 million satisfied clients, 2-minute average exchange time, and 1360 currencies available for exchange. So here we have a large of tokens and assets that we can buy in over 100 blockchains. And the thing that really attracts my attention is its limitless offer. So you can deposit as low as $2 and up to no limits. So this is very important guys for me, especially when I want to transact a small amounts to pay transaction fees or something with $8 or less than $10. In some exchanges guys, you need to exchange $10 is the less amount that you can transact from your account. So these guys break this limit and you can transact as low as $2. So this is a good point. Also, they have a lot of things we're gonna discover in this video. So they have a ChangeNOW Pro. So this is a plan that help you get cashbacks for every transaction. You can save on fees with off swaps, which is super amazing. You can also perform EML address checks for your safety. You can check out addresses. So we're gonna discover all of that in this video. So I'm gonna go through all these details guys to show you how easy it is and user friendly this platform is. And also I'm gonna share with you my own and honest opinion. So also it's DeFi based, so you can gain access to decentralized liquidity of Uniswap and PancakeSwap through ChangeNOW. So DEX exclusive assets, cross-chain swaps, and also lower network fees and less on-chain transactions. Also simplified listing for a young startups. You can also list your coin to get more visibility here, and you can buy crypto with Fiat, Visa, Mastercards, Union Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Revolut, and much more payments gateways you can use. So this is very accessible guys, especially for beginners who's new in crypto and want to buy crypto using fiat. That's the case here. I'm gonna show you in this video how you can do this. Non-custodial platform. So this exchange respects your privacy. You have control, full control over your funds, and also you don't force you to sign up. You can use it without even creating an account, and we're gonna show you guys how you can transact, do your swaps without even having an account, a real account with them. And also leading crypto app is accessible anywhere. You can use it through your iOS, Android device. Also the best rates crypto exchange, so they offer the best rates to buy crypto, and also well known in PRs. You can check out also people's reviews about the platform and much more details. So after reviewing this user-friendly landing page, we're gonna now go through a real transaction and see how it works. First of all, here we have exchange crypto. So as you can see here guys, I still didn't log in my account and I still can make the transaction. So for example, let's go with USDT TRC20, and let's for example get some BNB. As you can see, And for example, let's go with $20. Let's click exchange. And as you can see here, so it's a user-friendly and super easy to understand. So first of all, here we have the funds that you should send. For example, you can choose here from a plenty of options. As you can see here, USDT, XRP, and much more. Also, you can swap to BNB and also plenty of other options. It's over 1,300 assets. For example, let's go here with to MetaMask. Let's, for example, choose like BNB chain. Let's go here, click receive, and here let's get like the wallet address. Let's paste this over here, and as you can see, you can click continue. So here the current exchange may be very unprofitable, so let's click I understand. Let's start. And here, as you can see, we have the address where we should like send the funds. So let me guys go through this deposit, get into my wallet. Let me scan this. So guys, my withdrawal is processing right now. So you can also track like the progress. As you can see, now it's confirming. And as you can see, you can track the status of this transaction. As you can see, the first step is awaiting deposits, confirming, now exchanging. Now waiting to see, as you can see, it's super fast. Now it's sending to you. And also you can check out here your transaction ID. You can copy it and save it if you want. So let's wait and see how, guys, you can see it's less than just 1 minute, guys. We're gonna receive our funds. So let's go and check here in our MetaMask. As you can see, I got the funds. And as you can see, guys, I'm even not logging into my account and I still can make swaps and buy crypto. Also, you can go here to buy crypto, put your wallet address, and you can use the payment gateways right here. It match more like payment options. As you can see here, a lot of payment options. As you can see, guys, Visa, MasterCard, and much more. And you can get the funds right to your wallets. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, like XRP, BNB, Solana, USDC, TRX, like super amazing. You can also sell, as you see here. Also, they have a balance convert. And as you can see, you can convert any coins, any token. And in this convert section, you need to have an account because you're gonna like transact your current balance or your current assets with ChangeNOW platform. And as you can see, the benefits for registered users, you're gonna get asset storage feature. You can hold your crypto. Also, you have staking. You can join their staking programs. They have a good offers there. Also, you're gonna get a cashback. So it's like 0.1% cashback, which is super amazing. So to create an account is super easy, guys. You can go through sign up. You can like enter your email, password, repeat the password, and you can get into the platform. So after creating your account, you can also experience the same things. And also you have like more features and utilities. You can go to like the plan section. As you can see here, with like $0, it's totally for free. You're gonna get 0.1% cashback for exchange transaction, 1,000 now limit for monthly cashback. The now is like their native token for this ecosystem. Also here, one anti-money laundering check, and also now staking from 10 now. So you can stake as low as 10 now. Also unlimited crypto loans. And here also you can check out the like the other utilities over here, guys, and the other plans. Also here you can deposit with their now token. Also you can go here for more. You can know here more about the cashback, the staking, the loans, the ML check. So you can put the address here and check out like if it's suspicious or it's totally legal, so to avoid scammers and losing your money. Also here you're gonna check out here the history of your transactions, the balance, it's over here. You can deposit crypto and hold it, so it's like giving you a storage or asset storage service. And also the exchange part here, you can do swaps, buy crypto using fiat and convert balance. So I think, guys, I've covered all the details related to this platform. Also, we've experienced like a real swap transaction. So guys, just to show you how easy it is to use this platform, and also to show you the experience and my own opinion, guys, I personally really like the platform. It's very user friendly and easy to use. So you'll find, guys, all the useful links down below in the description, so you can go, guys, and experience this seamless platform by yourself. And see you guys in the next videos. Peace out.